What's up, guys? So in my previous video about the GoPro Hero Max, I feel like I forgot to mention some of the best things about the camera and the reasons why I'm switching from the Insta 360 to the GoPro Max. So first of all, there is a forward facing screen. So if you're doing a vlog or something like that, you can see yourself and see what you're doing. Second, there is a hero mode where you can just, make the camera be like a normal camera. It doesn't have to be a 360 camera. It could be like a regular GoPro. So it's like three cameras in one. So you got the front-facing camera, the back-facing camera, or both of them, the 360 camera. Okay, so after that, there is the ruggedness of the GoPro. Compared to the Insta 360, it is just way more rugged and it's harder to destroy. It's waterproof up to a certain extent. That waterproofing is not for diving, it's for like surfing. Put it on a surfboard, And I do actually surf. I don't know if you guys know that. Also, just from watching videos of it, I feel like the colors are a little bit better. Like, those GoPro colors are just really rich. And the last reason of 5 reasons is the audio. As you can tell with the wind right here, the audio on this is not that good. I'm going to give a bonus 6th reason. The workflow is supposed to actually be easier. I don't know if that's true, but I've heard that the new app, the new stuff from GoPro is supposed to actually be easier. These things are everywhere. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a filmmaker, and hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.